Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about install and setup for Cypress. How we can able to install and setup for this Cypress. Before that we need to check for what are the are required things. Required things. First we need for Node.js and then npm. npm by default comes under Node.js and then we need for Cypress. Then we require for Visual Studio Code. Okay, these things are required. Okay, how we can able to install for remaining things. Okay, for Node.js installation purpose, we need to go to here. We need to search Node.js, and I already kept here, and you can able to Node.js one. If you have any doubt, you can able to come and again Node.js downloader. Once you click the first link, only you can able to see nodejs.org application. Then you can come to here, and here you need to based upon your operating system and which version of built-in version you have, like 32-bit or 64-bit. Based upon that, you can able to download this one. And how to know your particular version it is presented means just come to this PC and you can able to right click for that particular PC, this PC one properties, and you can able to see your system type, which one 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system, which one it is presented. Based upon that, you can able to download your operating system. This particular Node.js exe. Mine is 64-bit. That's why I'm going to download for this 64-bit one. Once you downloaded this particular 64-bit one, you need to click for next. Okay. Once you click the particular browser, it will show you this particular command like pop-up. Click next, and it will mine is already having that, so it is showing for change or repair. And in your case, you need to click for next, next, then you can able to complete for installation. And don't do anything, you need to click for next. Once it is completed, it will show you for installation. Click that one and it will take the few minutes and it will complete for installation about that. Okay, no need to bother about that. Okay, just I'm canceling here because I have already, that's why I'm going to cancel this one. Okay, and next one, once it is installation is done, you need to open for command prompt, and also you need to check your particular thing like presented as expected or not. Means once edit in the search box, edit a system environment variables, click that one and click environment variables and go to path location, click on edit, see whether that particular node.js is folder is present in the last position or not. Node.js is presented, then my installation is successful. Still we need to check whether our installation is done or not. For that we need to open for command prompt, and there we need to use for node space hyphen version. It will give you for version, and same thing we need to check for npm also. For that, npm space hyphen version, then it will give you for your version. Okay, now we are able to install it, right? And second thing, we need to install for Cypress also. There are two ways we can able to install our Cypress. One is Cypress installation was two ways. One is CMD and another one is terminal. Okay, how we can able to use for command prompt and terminal means, command prompt means we need to create a local folder. Okay, then we need to open command prompt in that particular folder, and we need to navigate this local folder place and cmd. Then we need to use for command. Which command we need to use means in the browser installation, when you click for Cypress data IO, you will see for there is a get start. How we need to start? It will show you this particular line and npm install Cypress. Okay, this we need to pass it. Once you pass, provide it into the command and it will install into your system. How we can able to means just need to go for again I'm going to Cypress Lokesh workstation and I'm going to do here UI Cypress. Okay, inside that I'm going to create for command prompt and I'm going to installing for Cypress. And meanwhile we'll install for Visual Studio also. Here also I have already Visual Studio and meanwhile I'll show you how to download. And when you search in the Visual Studio code downloader, then it is first one only it will present it based upon your operating system download. And I have already downloaded exe into my download location. And you need to click for that particular exe and we need to accept the agreement and we need to choose next and sorry, I have already installation but I clicked. So we can able to install no issues and we can able to do it. Now it is finished and even it will launch your browser also. Okay, for this no need to problem about that. Okay, once and it will launch you that. And this is your Visual Studio code editor. Okay, here we can able to see this particular page. We'll see that now it is installed everything and we need to go for that particular location, Lokesh workstation and UI Cypress. You can able to see there is a node underscore module. Now in this location it is provided for your Node.js installation. Okay, the package also it is created. This is sample page, it is provided here. Our Cypress is 12.2.0 is presented. Okay, the same thing we'll see into our terminal how we can able to create our Node.js, like not Node.js Cypress, how we can able to create those things also we'll see into next video session how we can able to structurize that entire information and the project structure and we can able to go ahead for that first test case creation also. Okay, this all about for installation setup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.